Hello, gearheads. In the vast landscape of automotive excellence, one name echoes through time. Hyundai Elantra, a compact sedan that has withstood the test of time, reinventing itself generation after generation to prove its reliability and its unmatched value for money. This is not just a car. It's a symbol of dependability and innovation, engineered to be an affordable yet trustworthy companion for millions. But beyond its approachable price tag lies a question. Is it truly reliable? Today we dive deep into the story of the best Hyundai Elantra model years, exploring the legacy that has captivated drivers for over 3 decades. Let's start at the beginning. Back in the early 90s, when Hyundai first introduced the Elantra. Back then, it was simple, but effective. A sedan designed to do just one thing: offer incredible value. And now we have the Elantra N, a powerhouse of performance boasting 276 horsepower and a hybrid model that pushes the boundaries of what this compact can do. But today we're focusing on the most reliable of the Elantra years. The years that proved Hyundai's worth and earned the Elantra a place in the hearts of drivers worldwide. Let's rewind to 1998, a year when Hyundai's Elantra was already a force to be reckoned with. The second-generation J2RD Elantra cemented its status as a budget-friendly commuter that never quit. No recalls. None. In fact, out of over 1,600 consumer complaints, only 3 were recorded. One owner, who clocked over 228,300 miles, claimed it goes forever. This, my friends, is what we call true reliability. An old soul, yes, but dependable, unwavering, and still, after more than 25 years, ready for the road. Picture the countless journeys taken in that car. The moments where it carried young couples on their first dates, families on their vacations, and hard-working individuals on their daily commutes. Each mile traveled is a testament to the bond formed within those 4 doors. A vehicle that cradled its owners in comfort and assurance, reminding them that reliability is more than a feature. It's a feeling that tugs at the heartstrings of anyone who dares to dream. Then came 2006. Hyundai had perfected its craft with the third-generation XD Elantra. Early iterations may have stumbled, but by 2006, the kinks were ironed out, leaving us with one of the most dependable model years to date. With just one recall for a stop lamp switch affecting only a fraction of the models, this Elantra set the standard for refinement in the compact sedan world. Imagine this car as a reliable confidant, guiding you through life's twists and turns. It's not just about the engine purring under the hood or the smooth ride on the highway. It's the sound of laughter echoing in the cabin as you sing along to your favorite songs, the warmth of a child's hand resting on the seat as you drive them to school, the late-night drives filled with deep conversations that stretch for miles. This Elantra is not merely a machine. It is a repository of life's beautiful moments, a canvas upon which you paint your story. Fast forward to 2018, a modern take on the ad generation. Here, Hyundai didn't just settle, they evolved. With a score of 84 out of 100 in reliability test, Hyundai had once again raised the bar. No recalls for the base trims and minimal complaints. 2018 is, without question, a standout year in the Elantra's illustrious history. Imagine driving this car, knowing that it has your back, your family's safety assured as you navigate through busy streets and open highways. It's the car that takes you to milestones, first days at new jobs, celebrations, and quiet moments of reflection as you sip your coffee and watch the sunrise from your favorite lookout. It's more than transportation. It's a steadfast companion that shares in the fabric of your life. As we reflect on these remarkable years, we celebrate not just a car, but a legacy of trust, a promise from Hyundai that each generation aims to meet and exceed the expectations of those who choose to ride along. However, as with any legacy, there are shadows. When shopping for a used Elantra, it's essential to tread carefully. The year 2013 stands out as a cautionary tale, the dark chapter in the Elantra's story. Plagued by a myriad of engine failures, complaints have poured in like rain on a stormy day. Ticking noises, grinding brakes, and unsettling performance issues make this model year a veritable minefield for the unwary buyer. The mass majority of complaints listed are engine-related, ranging from trouble starting to complete engine failure, repair bills soaring into the thousands. Imagine the frustration of turning the key in the ignition, only to hear an unsettling silence or a strange ticking that gnaws at your confidence. The weight of uncertainty settles in your gut as you realize your once reliable car is now a source of anxiety, a barrier between you and the freedom of the open road. The memory of adventures you planned, weekend getaways, cross-country trips, now feels tainted, a haunting reminder of what could have been. Over 30% of complaints are logged against this model, a chilling statistic for any prospective buyer. This year embodies the pitfalls of early excitement and the harsh reality of unaddressed issues. As you search for a second-hand Elantra, remember that it's not just about finding a car. It's about choosing a partner for your journey, and the 2013 model simply cannot deliver that promise. So steer clear of the 2013 model. Instead, seek the years that offer not just transportation, but trust. Years like 2006, 2018, and yes, the nostalgic 1998, where reliability and comfort blend seamlessly into a beautiful driving experience. Each of these years stands as a beacon of quality, a reminder that the Hyundai Elantra has endured and evolved, providing countless families with safe passage and unforgettable experiences on the road. As you consider your next ride, let your heart lead you to those moments of joy and connection. Because the right choice will not only get you from point A to point B, it will carry with it the promise of memories yet to be made, stories waiting to unfold, and journeys just beginning. Through 7 generations, the Hyundai Elantra has evolved from a basic sedan into a symbol of reliability and a true value leader in the automotive world. But not every year was golden. Beware the 2013 model, plagued by engine failures, grinding brakes, and ticking noises that haunt its legacy. These are the years to avoid. But for those who seek dependability and affordability, the best years of the Elantra still shine through, standing tall among the competition. And so we come full circle. The Hyundai Elantra, a car that has defied the odds, outlasting its doubters, and proving that reliability isn't about price. It's about commitment to the road. So whether you're a family looking for a dependable daily driver or a thrill seeker ready to unleash the Elantra N, know that this sedan is more than a machine. It's a legacy. A legacy built on trust, forged in memories, and destined to be a part of your journey. So, the next time you slide behind the wheel of a Hyundai Elantra, remember, you're not just driving a car, you're carrying a piece of history, a testament to the unwavering spirit of dependability that will always have your back, mile after mile.